Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student of class 3, I welcome you all for the third lecture of third term of mathematics, and I'm your teacher, Miss Saima. Dear students, today's topic is like and unlike fraction, and we will do the page number 112, 119, 120 and 122 of your countdown book. Students, before starting the today's lecture, we will quickly review the previous topic. Do you remember the word which you learned in your previous lecture? Yes, this is the word fraction. Now, did you remember what is fraction is? Fraction is number of parts over total number of equal parts a whole is divided into. So, this is an example of a fraction, 1 over 5. Now, this 1 is called numerator and this 5 is called the denominator. 1 over 5 एग्जाम्पल है एक फ्रैक्शन की जिसमें 1 आपका न्यूमरेटर होता है और 5 आपका डिनोमिनेटर होता है. Now we will move to the like fraction. First we will see the definition of a like fraction. Fraction with the same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions जिनके denominator same होते हैं वो like fractions कहलाती हैं. Look at that example. 1 over 6, 3 over 6, 5 over 6, 2 over 6, 6 over 6. They have same denominators. Thus they are like fractions. In सब fractions में आपके denominator same हैं. They all have the denominators equal to 6. That's why they are like fractions. Now we will move to the unlike fraction. Fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. वो fractions जिनके denominators different होते हैं वो unlike fractions कहलाती हैं. Now we will see the example. Look at this example. 2 over 3, 3 over 6, 1 over 2, 4 over 5, 4 over 7. They all have the different denominators. So they are unlike fractions. Now the topic is fractions and division. Okay students, first meet Adil. And Adil have a problem. Adil has divided his set of pencils into quarters. This set has 12 pencils. Now, how many pencils in each quarter? And quarter means 1 by 4. Now students, what the Adil will do? Adil will make the sum of it. How he can make a sum? He will write it down 12 divided by 4. That's equal to 3. So now Adil have 4 group of pencils. Each group have 3 pencils in it. Now students, please open the page number 119 of your book and we will start the question number 1 of it, that is work out these. First part of it, 1 by 2 of 6 cakes. Now we will solve this question just like the Adil solved his question. So what we will do, we make the sum of it. We will write it down 6 divided by 2. That's equals to 3 cakes. I solve another part of it, that is B part, 1 by 4 of 8 buns. Again we will make the sum of it, that is 8 divided by 4 equals to 2 buns. Students, I will explain it again. हम अपना जो question given है ए पार्ट में 1/2 ऑफ 6 केक्स में से इसका सम ऐसे बनाएंगे कि हम जितने केक्स हमें पता हैं वो लिखेंगे और डिवाइड करेंगे अपने फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर के साथ. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3 cakes. You know division now. Now 1/4 of 8 buns. So 8 buns divided by the denominator of our fraction, that is 4. So 8 divided by 4 equals to 2 buns. Now question number 2 of page number 119. How many hours are in? So first students, to solve this question, you have to remember one thing, that one day is equals to 24 hours. You have to learn it. One day is equals to 24 hours. It will help us in our question. Now part A is 1/2 day. We have to tell them that how many hours are half day, 1/2 day. हमने बताना है कि 1/2 डे में कितने आवर्स होते हैं और we will take the help of it that one day is equals to 24 hours. How can we solve it? We will write it down 24 divided by 2 and that is equals to 12 hours. Now we will do another part of it, that is B part, 1/4 day. Now how can we make the sum of it? 24 divided by 4, that is equals to 6 hours. Now students, we will move to the page number 120. Question number 3. How many minutes are in? For this, first you have to learn one thing, that is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now look at that part A. It is 1/3 hours. Now we have to tell them that how many minutes are in 1/3 hours. So what we will do? We will make the sum of it and we will write it down 60 divided by 3. हमने बताना है कि 1/3 hours में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम 60 divided by 3 सम बनाएंगे and the 60 divided by 3 gives us answer equals to 20 minutes. Now look at that C part of it. It is 9/10 hours. Now how can we make the sum of it? First we will write it down 60 divided by 10. It gives us answer 6, but we have another step in it. We have to multiply this 6 with the numerator also. So 6 multiplied by 9 equals to 54 minutes. So our answer is 54 minutes. Students, I will repeat. First, we will divide 60 with 10. 60 divided by 10, तो आंसर आया 6. और फिर हम अपने 6 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 6 times 9 is equals to 54 minutes. Question number 4 of page number 120 is, how many days are in? So we will use here 1/3 of September. Now students, do you remember that 30 days are in the September? So we will use this thing that there are 30 days in September. Now 1/3 of September means 30 divided by 3. So it is equals to 10 days and 1/10 of September means 30 divided by 10 and it's equals to 3 days. Okay students, now we will move to the topic addition of the like terms, like fractions. Now students, we will move to the page number 122 for the addition of the like terms. Question number 4 of it is add the following. Now the question is 2/8 plus 5/8 equals to what? Now as I told you that we are doing the addition of the like terms, and do you remember the definition of the like terms? That they have the same denominators. Like terms की definition क्या थी कि उनके denominators same होते हैं. तो जब भी हम like terms को add करते हैं, we will write it down them such that we will write down the denominator as it is in the answer and we will just add the numerator. हम न्यूमिनेटर्स को प्लस करते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर को एज इट इज़ राइट डाउन कर लेते हैं. सो 2 + 5 = 7 and 8 will be written down as it is. So 2/8 plus 5/8 = 7/8. Now we will move to the subtraction of the like terms. Now for this you have to do the page number 122 question number 7. Now look at this example. It is 7/9 minus 2/9 and it will be equals to 5/9. I told you before कि like terms में जब हम add करते हैं या subtract करते हैं तो हम denominator को as it is copy करते हैं और numerators में जो terms होती हैं उनको plus करते हैं या subtract करते हैं. यहाँ हमारे पास subtraction का sign है तो we will subtract 7 minus 2. The answer is equals to 5. So 7/9 minus 2/9 is equals to 5/9. Now dear students, your homework task is to complete your page number 120, 121, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Complete your page number 122 also, only the question number 4 and question number 7 of it. I hope that you will do a lot of practice of them. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.